Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna Tungo. If you're new here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. So first things first, we're going to start by prepping our hair, and the hair that I'm going to be using for today's video is Fluffy Kinky, and it is by Darling. I'm starting off by slightly damping the hair because it will be easy for me to unravel it, which you're going to see. Okay, so after damping the hair, I'll just go ahead and squeeze the excess hair, and then the next step is just to I'm going to cut the hair into two because I didn't want my hair to be like a super long, so that is why I decided to cut it off. So after that, I'll just go ahead and start fluffing it out. And as I do that, I also make sure that I stretch the hair, and this is what we have as the final look. So I'm going to take you through on how I did install this hair. So first things first, I'll just go ahead and take my crochet needle. So what I did, I just did 3 strands of braid with my natural hair. Okay, so I'm going to do the crochet method. So you can choose to just do the knotless method by just braiding your hair and adding in the braid extension. But with me, I went for the crochet method. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you exactly what I'm doing to get this hair to look this fluffy, and them to also look a little bit big. Okay, because I was also going for some big braids, as you can see in the video. So I'm really hoping that you guys are noticing when I start to braid, of which I'm going to show you in the next clip. I'm going to start off by doing some firm braids at the roots. Okay, not too tight, just tight enough to make sure that my roots are nice and secured. And I'm going to braid all the way to the very end of the braid extension. Okay, after sliding my crochet hair through my natural hair, I'll just go ahead and take another piece of the Fluffy Kinky, the braid extension. So guys, for each piece of the Fluffy Kinky, after I cut it into two the way you saw it in the beginning of the video, so each one piece gave me 2 pieces, of course, after cutting it. Okay, so I just went ahead and fluff each piece. So for each braid, I'm going to be using 2 strands of this extension. Okay, so one piece, after cutting the one piece, just like you saw in the beginning of the video, I went ahead and just fluffed the hair. So one piece of braid, or rather one braid extension, I used 2 pieces of the braid extension that I cut. I'm hoping you guys I'm really hoping that you guys are able to understand what I'm saying. Okay, so moving on, we are just doing the same exact thing, and as you watch this video, I really hope that you guys are able to learn a thing or two. And as you do, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoy watching hair tutorial, then I'll just urge you to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you may be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'm hoping that you guys are noticing. So after I've braided, like I said earlier, I'm going to trace the braiding at the roots of my at the roots, or rather at the beginning when I start to do the braids. Okay, so after braiding like about 5 to 6 steps, I'll just go ahead and literally loosen my hands. Okay, because again, we are going for some some loose braids. Okay, so I'm not going to stress my hand so much, so I'm just going to loosen my hand. So as I braid, I just take big steps. Okay, because again, if the hair will be too tight, then it won't look as loose as it is looking now. Okay, so I'm literally not I'm not really stressing my hand. Okay, I'm just placing the hair, literally placing the hair. If I braid the hair too close, then they won't appear this loose. Okay, if that makes sense. So guys, nothing has changed. So after placing my crochet hair through my braid, I'll just go ahead and take the other piece, and I'm going to place it right at the top, just like you can see in the video. And then I'm going to start by doing some tight. And again, guys, just remember that you don't do too tight. That is going to hurt your scalp or something. Okay, because this is a protective hairstyle, literally. So you don't have to do something that will cause any tension to your scalp, because that is what you're trying to avoid. Okay, So I'm going to braid all the way to the very end of the braid extension. So once I reach the ends of the braid extension, I'll just twist that out, okay? And that is how I get to secure the hair and stuff like that. If you're someone that enjoy watching hair tutorial, then be sure to subscribe to this channel, because that is what this channel is all about, okay? So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will attend to all your questions. And again, as you watch the video, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share this video to your friends and family. And I will truly appreciate all your support here, guys. And by the way, we are on the road to 1K subscribers. Like, I'm really hoping, I can't wait to see what the future holds for this channel and for all of us, literally, to learn and to learn together, different hairstyles, because personally I really enjoy watching and literally doing my own hair. So if again you're someone that also enjoying doing that, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. So I'll just let the video play, and I hope that you guys are able to learn a thing or two. Something that I've forgotten to mention, which is very important, is that when I braid now the front part of my hair, okay, so you'll see me adding in the braid extension, okay, towards the end, because I just want the hair at the front part to look the same. Of course, with the same, I mean for them to have the same length. Because again, if I didn't add in the hair as I braided, then this hair wouldn't have been looking even, and that is not the look that I was going for. So I'm really hoping that this video is going to help you. You're going to learn a thing or two. And again, if you will, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Lately you've been trying to buy time for me, but your watch broke. Now your shot clock counting down. Headed to the middle, not your MO. Baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm trying to make you my property. Better yet, buy me some property. 'Cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's never, never. 'Cause I've been waiting, but every time
So guys, I'm almost done, and I cannot wait for you all to see the finished look. Like, I'm really in love with how the hair turned out, and I'm hoping that you guys are going to give it a try. Okay, so the final step is just to oil my scalp, and this is how I got to install this hair. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you guys in my next video. Hey love, so this is how the hair turned out, and I'm super in love with the length, with the finished look. So I only got to use 1 pack of fluffy kinky, and you can get this here at any local beauty store near you, and have yourself some loose braids. So this is the final look, and I'm super in love with the turnout. And like I said, I only used 1 pack of it, okay? So if you're going for the same length, then 1 pack is just pretty much fine. So yeah.